Hi, this video will show you how to free up space on your computer, and your computer will be back to normal and run fast. The reason why your computer is currently too slow at the moment is because you have a lot of files stored on your computer. So I'm going to show you examples step by step on how you can free up space on your computer, and the files you store on your device can be stored on cloud, and then your computer will be back as fast as it used to be. The first step that you have to take is to install OneDrive on your computer. And when you have OneDrive on your computer, that will give you about 5 GB free. And if you are running a business, you don't want to buy external storage. I think the OneDrive also have some sort of business storage that you could purchase and store your system there by simply subscribing to their sakes. Alternatively, you could also use Dropbox. Dropbox will normally give roughly about 15 gigabytes, and that will help you to save a lot of files on the Dropbox, and you could install the Dropbox application on your computer. If you have OneDrive on your computer, technically, and then you have a folder which you sync to the cloud, what happens is that any files that you put on your folder will store on your computer, and at the same time, it will store on the cloud. So you basically store information in two places, and that could take up a lot of space on your own device, and at the same time reduce the gigabyte you have on the OneDrive. So there is a way you could do it whereby all the file you save will only save on the cloud, but not your computer device. To do that, as the example I did have here, I do not save files in this folder on my device. It is only stored on the cloud. Why this file here is stored on the cloud, and it's also stored on my device. So I can free up this space so that all the files in this folder I can store. I'll just move this folder a little bit so you could see the folders. So here's the folder. All the files in this folder will only be stored on the cloud and not on my device. So to do that, you simply right click on this option here, and you come to the option which shows free up space, and then you click on free up space. That would remove the files from your computer and only save it on the cloud. So you could say that changed. So if I want to access the file on my computer, I can still access the file from this folder on my computer, but it is not stored on this computer. If I want to access where it is stored on the cloud, and I could log into my OneDrive and have access to the file there and see what I have stored there. So it is as simple as that. The other ways you could also free up space on your computer is to delete the files in your recycle bin. So deleting the file from your recycle bin can save a lot of space. You could also look at your download folder. Your download folder, series of files, pictures, images, and things you've downloaded over time are all stored there. So you need to delete those files if you do not need them. And you could also go to your computer. You could come down to the bottom of your computer on the far left corner. You see a search button there. You could search there, create computer or free computer. So all of that will take away some unnecessary file. There are also software that could help you to clean up your computer and delete all of the files you do not need. And some of these software are free and reliable, but there are also some malware that are free for you to do this job, but of course they will install viruses on your computer. So be mindful for those kind of cleaning software that cleans your computer. Try to check with an IT expert or someone who have technological skills to help you to check whether that software, whether it's reliable or not. So if it's a reliable file, you could use it to clean up your computer, and it will delete the software as well. So the other way you could also save a lot of space on your computer and make it faster, you could go to your program you installed under the features and then uninstall some of the applications you have in your computer that are not required. I hope this video was useful to you. If it is, please subscribe to this channel, and I hope you have a nice day.